Well, as I explained in the last session, instead of using these plain buttons, we can use the image buttons. Okay, so instead of directly using the image buttons in our main application, let us create one new application and let us try the image buttons in that. If it is working fine, then we can implement it into our main application. Okay, so let us create one new application. Go to File, select New Option. I think you guys are well aware of how to create Android project now. So give the name. Okay, I will give image button. Okay, it's your wish. Whatever name you want to give, you can give it. Click on next. Same steps you have to follow. Select the blank activity. You can change the activity name if you wish. If not, you can click on finish. Okay, here is your new application, image button. I will delete Hello World and I will close other files here. Okay, now add the image button which is present inside the images and media. Drag and drop it to your screen. It is asking for the image, so which image you want to use it as a button. So as of now I will use the default image, that is IC launcher. Okay, so the next step is, whenever you are adding any UI component to the XML file, the first step should be you have to change the ID. Okay, select, right click, edit ID, change it to, I will give the ID as image button. It is something like main page. Okay, now let us try to give action to this button. Go to source folder, open the package, you will find your Java file, open it. So you don't need this on create options menu. So you have to follow the same steps. Whenever you are adding any UI component here, you have to declare that component. So how to do that? We are using the image button, so take image button, it is your wish, you can give any name for the variable. So how to initialize that? Take the variable name is equal to, it is image button, find that button using ID, find view by ID. How to give the ID? It is r dot id dot, it is not showing the options here. So whenever you are adding any component to the UI, immediately you have to save. Now go to the Java code, you can check it here. Always use control space, it will show the options to you. So select the ID, end the statement. Okay, now let us see whether set on click listener will work with the image button or not. So use image button dot set on click listener. Use the new listener. Same error it is showing. You have to import the on click listener. Import it, then end the statement. Well, we have implemented the on click listener for this, but let us see whether it will work or not. For that, whenever user clicks on the image button, I will try to show the toast message. How to show the toast message? I have already explained this. Use toast class dot make text. It is asking 3 parameters. The first one is context. It's nothing but where you want to display the message. It is on main activity. So main activity dot this. Then what message you want to show? I will show you have clicked on image button. Okay, then how long you want to show the message? The duration will be toast dot length short. Then show the message. How to break the line? It is using Control Shift F. Okay, save the changes. Now try to run the application. Select application, run the application. So whenever you are running an application first time, it will ask which type of application it is, because Eclipse supports different types of applications. So select Android application. You can open the emulator here. Check the console. What is the status? It is installing your application. So installation success. Here is your application. Okay, so click on the image button. It is showing you have clicked on image button. So it's working fine. Now let us try to implement this into our main application. So close all these files. Open the XML file. Instead of these buttons, let us try to use image buttons. Okay, so I will delete these buttons. Go to images and media. Select image button. Drop it to your screen. So it will ask which image you want to use it as a button. Okay, so for that I have already downloaded some images. Copy those images. Add it to drawable. Okay, it is next and previous images. So here I will delete this. Drag and drop the image button once again. Here you can find the previous button. Okay, similarly you have to drag and drop one more image button. It is next. Okay, here you can find that image. Now align them. I'll keep it here. If not, you can add it somewhere here, and this one to this side. Okay, the first step whenever you are adding any component to the UI is you have to change the ID. So select the image button, edit ID. So here I'll change image button. It is for previous. Better use the correct nomenclature. Okay, and this one edit ID. It is image button. Next. Okay, so go to the Java file. It's already showing the error because previously we were using buttons here. So instead of button, let us change it to image button. Change those two variables to image buttons. Here you are using button, so change it to image button. and you have changed the IDs also. So change the IDs. It is image button, next, and then image button previous. Save the changes. Now try to run the application. Run it on the existing device. You can check the status. Okay, it's already running. Okay, so this is your next button and this is the previous button. I'll click on next button. You can see that. Click on previous button. So it is working fine. Well, this is how you can use the image buttons in Android application. Okay, please try it out. If you have any queries, you can visit our student forum. Okay, and you can place the queries there. Thanks for watching. We will discuss some more topics in the upcoming sessions. Okay, thank you.